Namaste students. Today we are going to see Unit 1 poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. This is a memorator, so you have to learn all the four stanzas which is present in the text. This poem was written by Robert Frost. You all know about Robert Frost. He has written many poems and also you have learned his poems. Before taking the poem, just we shall see about the poet Robert Frost. He was an American poet noted for his realistic description of rural life. Born on 26th March 1874, he spent his first 40 years as an unknown entity. He received 4 Pulitzer Prizes for poetry and was a special guest at President John F. Kennedy's inauguration. Frost became a poetic force and the unofficial poet laureate of the United States. Some of his famous works are The Road Not Taken, West Running Brook, Mending Wall, After Apple Picking, etc. So these are some of the famous poems which was written by Robert Frost. Now we are going to see Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. So you can see that a traveler, he is traveling in a horse. So he is stopping in the woods. Here the meaning woods means forest. So he is stopping in the forest and he is admiring the beauty of the nature. Through that, the poet is trying to deliver something to the readers. So what he is trying to deliver, let us see that. First stanza. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. Actually, the poet, he is crossing the wood. While he was crossing the woods, he could see the house which is all alone in the forest and no one was there in the house. He thought that the owner of the house might be in the village, that is, he might be far away from the forest. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. And he thinks that the owner may not know that he is stopping in the woods and he is admiring the beauty of the nature and he is standing near his house. So he thinks that he may not know about that. Second stanza. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near, between the woods and the frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. My little horse must think it queer. So here the poet, he says that his horse might think the action which was done by the poet is very strange. Actually, he has stopped near the house and he was admiring the beauty. The horse may think that the action which was done by the poet is very strange. Why? Because there is no farmhouse near the place where he dropped the horse. There is no farmhouse, only he could see the woods. It was covered, it was fully covered with darkness, because in the evening you can see during the sunset the woods, it looks very dark. So the horse think that it's very dark, and the poet, he has stopped the horse between the woods and the frozen lake. So between the woods and the frozen lake means woods ko forest, that is a frozen lake. During the snowy time you can see the lake, it would be frozen. So he has stopped there in that place and he is admiring the beauty. So the horse, it thinks it is a strange thing, and it doesn't know why the poet has stopped there. So these are the questions that arise in the mind of the horse. Today we shall see only these two stanzas. To these stanzas you have to know the rhyming words and the rhyme scheme. So for the first stanza, if you see the rhyming words, you can see that no, though, snow. These are the rhyming words. And rhyme scheme A, B, A. For the second stanza, the rhyming words are queer, near, ear. The rhyme scheme is A, B, A. So this is the rhyme scheme of the first stanza and the second stanza. You just go through this first and second stanza. If you have any doubt, you just probe your question in the group so that I can clear your doubts. Thank you.